Want to see some of the smartest tools ever made for the kitchen? These genius Amazon inventions are so clever, you won't believe they actually exist. From time-saving gadgets to space-saving wonders, they'll completely change the way you cook. All product links are in the description below. Why stand over the stove when stirring can be hands-free? This automatic stirrer spins by itself, keeping soups, sauces, and gravies perfectly mixed while you relax. With 3 speed settings, it moves forward and backward for even results every time. Heat-resistant nylon legs are safe for non-stick cookware and pop off for easy cleaning. It's a simple way to save time in the kitchen and make cooking effortless. Your toaster's about to get a serious glow up. This sleek touchscreen marvel does way more than just brown your bread. With patented tech that heats in seconds, it locks in moisture and gives you the perfect crunch every single time. Choose from 38 bread types, 7 browning levels, and even a reheat mode. Oh, and when it's not toasting, it doubles as a digital photo frame. Stylish, smart, and surprisingly fun. Breakfast just got a tech upgrade. This sleek toaster comes with a touch screen and a countdown timer, so you always know when your toast will be ready. With 6 shade settings and bread type options, you can get anything from bagels to waffles just the way you like. Dual controls let you toast different breads at the same time, perfect for family mornings. Wide slots and an easy clean tray make it hassle-free from start to finish. Pizza night just got way cooler and way easier. This rotating oven spins your food as it cooks, making sure everything bakes evenly from edge to edge. You can control the top and bottom heat separately, so crust stays crisp while toppings get perfectly melted. It even shuts off when the timer's done, so no more burnt cheese. Plus, it uses way less energy than a regular oven and cleans up fast. Meet the little table that follows you everywhere. This C-shaped design slides right under your couch or bed, giving you the perfect spot for a laptop, meal, or book. The top tilts to different angles, so you can read or work comfortably without awkward neck strain. Smooth wheels let you roll it wherever you need it. Compact, sturdy, and stylish, it's a small table with big versatility. Warm bread at home without lifting a finger? Yes, please. This smart bread maker does it all, mixes, kneads, rises, and bakes with 17 automatic programs to handle everything from gluten-free loaves to homemade jam. Dual heaters create even browning and that crisp golden crust, while the ceramic pan keeps things non-stick and chemical-free. An automatic nut dispenser drops in mix-ins at just the right moment. Pick your loaf size, crust color, and let the magic happen. Why juggle 3 appliances when one can do it all? This retro-style breakfast station combines a coffee maker, toaster oven, and non-stick griddle into a single, space-saving setup. Brew 6 cups of coffee, toast 4 slices, and fry up eggs and bacon, all at the same time. It's perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or RVs. With easy controls and classic charm, breakfast just got way more fun and way less chaotic. Craving soft serve at home? This 13-in-1 frozen treat maker does it all. Ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes, frozen yogurt, and more, all at the touch of a button. Just load your ingredients, choose your program, and let it swirl or scoop your perfect pint. You can even go low-calorie, high-protein, or dairy-free with custom settings. It's fun for kids, a dream for adults, and cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. Mornings just got a serious upgrade. This smart espresso machine remembers your favorite drinks and makes them exactly how you like with a single touch. You can even set it to wake up and brew before you're out of bed. From creamy cappuccinos to bold espressos, it handles every type of milk with ease. And with thousands of drink combinations, you'll never run out of new creations to try. Fresh pasta in 3 minutes without even touching a rolling pin? Yes, please. This automatic pasta maker does all the hard work for you. Just add ingredients and pick from 13 different pasta shapes. From spaghetti to dumpling skins, it mixes, kneads, and pushes out smooth, unbroken noodles in no time. Built-in safety features protect your hands, and the compact design fits easily on any kitchen counter. Healthy gut, homemade style. This probiotic yogurt maker lets you craft your own yogurt packed with live cultures right at home. Adjustable temperature and time controls give you the perfect environment for trillions of probiotics to thrive. It comes with multiple jars, so you can prep different flavors at once. Fresh, creamy, and way more affordable than store-bought. This is gut-friendly goodness you make yourself. Turn dessert time into an experience with this 7-in-1 ice cream maker. It transforms simple ingredients into creamy ice cream, gelato, sorbet, milkshakes, or smoothie bowls in minutes. You can get creative with mix-ins like fruit, candy, or chocolate, and even make healthier options like dairy-free or low-sugar treats. With one-touch programs and family-friendly design, it's a fun way to whip up personalized frozen desserts anytime. Breakfast just got a serious upgrade. This smart toaster lets you pick your bread type and browning shade with a simple touch, and the settings project right onto the display so you know exactly what's happening. Bagels, waffles, or gluten-free. 5 presets handle it all. 11 shade levels mean you always get the perfect toast. Plus, the warming rack, reheat and defrost modes, and easy clean crumb tray keep mornings effortless. Fresh pasta without the elbow grease? Yes, please. This electric pasta maker mixes, kneads, and extrudes dough all on its own, so you get silky noodles in under 10 minutes. With 8 shaping discs, you can switch from spaghetti to penne to fettuccine without skipping a beat. It even handles cookie and bread dough like a pro. Cleanup's easy too, thanks to dishwasher-safe parts and a non-stick interior. Washing dishes doesn't have to be a chore anymore. This compact dishwasher sits right on your counter and takes care of the mess with 6 different wash programs. You can fill its built-in tank or connect it directly to the tap. No tricky installation needed. Powerful 360-degree spray arms leave every dish spotless, while high-temp drying keeps things hygienic. Control it from your phone and enjoy sparkling clean plates with 0 effort. Think of this fridge as the ultimate kitchen upgrade. It's got a huge touchscreen built in, so you can stream shows, check recipes, or even keep a grocery list without pulling out your phone. Inside, smart tech helps track your food, so you always know what's fresh. The flexible drawer and dual ice makers make it practical for every lifestyle. Sleek design, smart features, and plenty of space. It does it all. Making waffles just got way cooler and a whole lot easier. This vertical waffle maker stands upright to save space and pour batter without the mess. With 5 shade settings, you choose exactly how golden or crispy you want it. It even handles sugary batters like brownies or cake mix with no problem. Just listen for the beep, and boom, fluffy, inch-thick waffles ready to eat. Cleanup? Quick and painless. Your kitchen just became a cafe. This luxe coffee maker does it all: espresso, drip, and even cold brew without the guesswork. The built-in grinder gives you fresh grounds every time, while the Smart Scale measures the perfect dose for your drink. With a hands-free milk frother, you can whip up silky lattes, cappuccinos, or cold foam in seconds. Restaurant-quality meals right in your kitchen. This folding Sous Vide cooker heats water with precision, keeping food perfectly tender and juicy every time. A powerful pump circulates evenly, while the big display and app control let you set and monitor without hovering over the pot. Its clever folding design saves space and protects electronics from steam. Safe, compact, and easy to use, it turns everyday cooking into gourmet dining. Chopping veggies doesn't have to mean tears and a messy cutting board. This handheld electric slicer takes care of slicing, mincing, and even scrubbing, all in one compact gadget. Just aim, press, and it shoots chopped ingredients straight into your pan. From garlic to peppers, it handles it all with a comfy grip and fast blades. When you're done, press one button to clean it. No disassembly needed. Snack prep just leveled up. This premium dehydrator gives you 15 stainless steel trays to dry everything from beef jerky to fruit chips to homemade dog treats. The rear fan keeps airflow even, so every tray dries consistently without rotating. A digital timer and precise temperature control let you set it and forget it. Quiet, powerful, and easy to clean. It's a game changer for healthy homemade snacks. Mornings feel different when your coffee tastes like it came from a cafe. This smart grind and brew machine grinds beans fresh and brews straight into your cup, or a full carafe for sharing. With voice control and app features, you can start brewing without even leaving bed. The adjustable burr grinder lets you pick the perfect grind size, while customizable strength settings make every cup exactly how you like it. Breakfast tech just leveled up. This touchscreen toaster lets you pick your bread type and shade with a simple swipe, and the digital projection display shows your settings in real time. Wide slots fit bagels and thick slices, while the built-in rack warms pastries to perfection. With reheat and defrost functions, your toast is always just right. Easy to clean and sleek in stainless steel, it's a modern upgrade for any kitchen. Craving omelets on autopilot? This fully automatic egg machine does the frying, flipping, and separating for you. No mess, no fuss. Just load up to 50 eggs and let the machine take over. It cracks, cooks, and even separates the shells from the finished eggs with zero input from you. Designed with smart oil drainage and a clean, efficient system, it's perfect for high-volume kitchens. Breakfast has never been this hands-off. Dessert night just leveled up. This all-in-one frozen treat maker lets you whip up ice cream, soft serve, milkshakes, and even protein-packed low-calorie pints right from your kitchen. With 13 smart programs and a swirl handle, you can go from classic scoops to twirled yogurt in seconds. Toss in fruit, candy, or nuts for your perfect mix. It's fun for kids, satisfying for adults, and cleanup is totally stress-free. Toss your scraps, press a button, and that's it. This smart kitchen composter does the rest. It turns food waste into natural fertilizer in just 6 hours using high heat and quiet grinding. No stink, no bugs, thanks to its dual carbon filters and optional scent boosters. The 4-liter bucket handles plenty of leftovers, and the compact design fits right on your counter. Easy to use, self-cleaning, and kind to the planet. Fresh juice should taste like nature made it. This cold press juicer squeezes out every drop while keeping nutrients locked in. The wide chute fits whole fruits and veggies, saving you prep time. A quiet motor and slow pressing action mean less foam, less heat, and more flavor in your glass. Easy to assemble, quick to clean, and built tough enough for everyday use, it makes healthy living simple.